The price of Cardano, ADA, has shown bullish signs and could be set for a major run against Tether, USDT, after bouncing from key support. Ethereum price rallied with so much strength from a region of $1,670 to $2,000 ahead of the Ethereum merge. This has brought relief bounces for many altcoins, including the price of Cardano, ADA. Related reading: Cardano price sits pretty at 50 cents, where breakout is on the horizon. The merge is an upgrade on the Ethereum network from Proof of Work, POW, to Proof of Stake, POS, so as to increase its network efficiency and transactions. Data feeds from Binance price of Cardano, ADA, weekly chart analysis. From the chart, the price of ADA saw a weekly low of around 40 cents, which bounced from that area and rallied to a price of 55 cents. The price has built more momentum as it faces resistance at 66 cents. If the price of ADA on the weekly chart continues with this bullish structure, it could quickly revisit 66 cents and trend higher to 75 cents. Weekly resistance for the price of ADA-66 cents. Weekly support for the price of ADA-45 cents. Price analysis of ADA on the daily, 1D, chart. The price of ADA found strong support at around 45 cents, with what seems to be an area of interest on the daily chart. ADA bounced from its support and has rallied as it faces resistance at 63 cents. The price of ADA has continued to range in a channel. Breaking out of this channel could send the price of ADA to the resistance at 63 cents. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.